of the season 1. So I guess I was wrong. I thought that this was supposed to be Rarity's character episode, which it kind of was. Rarity was one of the central characters, but it was also more akin to a regular episode. For a normal show, it would have been good enough, but I don't know. I was expecting something bit more, you know? I was kind of hoping to see Rarity's character explored a bit deeper more in this episode, like shown the depths of her personality and... Well, I wanted to see her explored a bit more. But the confrontation of AJ's and Rarity's personalities was well made, so you cannot really criticize that, and it showed a huge contrast that some of the main 6 characters have, because they are very different characters and personalities. Personally, I did not enjoy this episode all that much, but it was an okay episode after all. What I did like, however, was that AJ apologized very easily. It was pretty neat, since it was not exactly the most obvious conclusion that they could have reached. There is something odd about the ponies when they are shown from the front. They have an uncanny valley-ish effect. At least for me they seem a tad bit weird. So it was an okay episode, even if I wanted a bit more of... I don't even know. Something! Also, what the hell is this thing? Episode 9 of Season 1. Again, I was wrong. I thought this was supposed to be a Rainbow Dash's character episode, but because that was just my original guess, I'm actually satisfied with this episode. This was a pretty nice episode because it fits the flow of the series quite perfectly in this spot. So we are introduced to Zecora in this episode, and I did quite enjoy the jokes in this one. Especially Fluttershy's manly voice, which was especially enjoyable. I did chuckle quite a bit. I do not care much for Zecora's rhymes, however, but it's her gimmick, so you just gotta roll with it. I get some really racist vibes from this episode. It feels a bit strange, especially considering the message of the episode. Oh well, it was a good episode overall. Episode 10 of Season 1. Screw it. Just screw it. I guessed 3 episodes wrong in a row. I thought this was supposed to be like someone else's character episode, but no. I guess they decided not to make the character episode be consequentially, which is actually a good thing, basically because it makes the episode arc, or the general arc of the first season, a bit more natural. So this episode deals with a Parasprite problem in Ponyville. Another kind of fun episode, but that's mostly because Pinkie Pie gets to be random. Parasprites are like, oh, they're so fluffy.
That they consume everything that gets in their way.
Also, Celestia's face is like, what the fuck, man? What the fuck is this? So, the resolution was actually pretty silly, because they just sent the problem forward. They're like, fuck it, it's not our problem anymore. I did kinda enjoy this episode, but that's again only because of Pinkie Pie. I'll see you in the next episode.